Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got, man?
3 costs of leadership.
3 costs.
Yeah, I heard this one from my guy, Kirby Smart, who I don't know.
UGA.
Not really my guy, but he's a very good coach at UGA. And I do like watching the dogs. All right, so I just thought these were things that you don't really hear talked about. And so I like it because I've been in leadership positions, organizational leadership positions where I have found these things to be true. So first one, you're going to have to make hard decisions that negatively impact people that you care about.
That's a hard one to swallow, man.
It is.
That's a very hard one to swallow.
Okay. And that's very difficult emotionally.
And it is true, but it is hard to swallow.
You know it is true.
Yeah.
All right, here's another one.
Okay.
You will be disliked in spite of your best attempt to do the best for the most.
Dude, these are hitting hard. Dang, Curb.
Sometimes. Hey,
Dang, Kirby.
I'm gonna give you one more.
Okay, give me the last one.
Too.
Come on.
You will be misunderstood and you won't always have the chance to defend yourself.
Honestly, I feel like that's the show right there, guys. Like, good grief.
Hey, here's my recommendation.
Man.
Because here's what I did when I heard those. And I just thought, those are so true. I got the sticky notes out.
Yeah.
I wrote them down and I put them on the monitor.
Yeah.
Just something that I can read periodically because it's a reminder. Leadership is not easy. It is not for the faint of heart, and it has costs. And we like to celebrate leadership.
There's a cost of freedom.
But there is a cost.
There's a cost of freedom that's associated with leadership that people don't often realize.
Yeah.
Because you think that the higher you rise, the more freedom you're going to get. But the reality is the more hamstrung you actually are.
All right. So I'm going to read through them one more time. All right.
Good stuff.
You will have to make hard decisions that negatively impact people you care about. You will be disliked in spite of your best attempt to do the best for the most. You will be misunderstood and won't always have the chance to defend yourself. To that, I just challenge everybody here, especially those that are aspiring to leadership, knuckle down, batten the hatches down, know that tough times will come in leadership, but that it is a cost and part of doing the deal, and that you can be a good leader in spite of these things coming into your life. Like, listen to that and hear that echo from another leader who gets second guessed and has people misunderstand. It's good stuff.
Woof. Yeah, okay. I wasn't expecting it to hit me that hard.
Boom.
Guys, all right. Well, with that, go build something awesome.